Hello students. Now let us study about the respiratory system. Respiratory system is breathing system. It is put a number 4 over here. This is a 4 type of organ system that we are going to study now. Now take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Take a deep breath first and feel the air enter your chest as it expands. See, take the deep breath and try to feel your chest. You feel it is expanding like a balloon, right? When you breathe in, what happens? Air enters your body through your nose. What happens? Air around that enters your body through your nose. It then passes through the windpipe and goes into the lungs. The air you breathe in has oxygen, which you need to get energy. See, the picture of the respiratory system is given here. Respiratory system is breathing system. So here various organs are working together. So this is also an organ system only. Here what is included? We breathe in through our nose and the air enters, even through the mouth also we will be breathing. It enters the windpipe here, right? It is near to the food pipe only. It enters the windpipe and enters into the lungs. Lungs are two bags just like balloons. They expand when we breathe in, and when we breathe out, they be contract again. Just like balloon, how we breathe in and breathe out, you try to experiment with yourself. Breathe in and breathe out and just try to find out. So now recently that corona is there. Corona will be entering through our nose or through our mouth. That's why we need to put a mask here to avoid the corona entering in our body. If it enters through the nose or through the mouth, it will remain here in the throat for about 4 to 5 days. So what we have to do here? We have to drink hot water or take steam. With the steam and hot water, it gets killed. Otherwise, it will just go down into the lungs and then we will have the problem of breathing. And as a result, what happens? Many people are being killed because of that, because it attacks the lungs. So this is the way the corona is working nowadays. So we need to block our nose and mouth with the help of mask, with the help of cloth, right? Because we are able to breathe through the mask, but we are able to avoid the corona entering in our body. Understood, children? So this is about the respiratory system here. So further, from the food, the oxygen, what happens, is absorbed from the air in the lungs. So here what happens, the oxygen in the lungs, it is absorbed, from the air in the lungs. The absorbed oxygen is taken to all the parts of the body. What happens when the oxygen enters into lungs? It is carried out all over the body with the help of blood, with the help of parts of your body, with the help of the blood. It is carried out to all the parts of the body with the help of your blood. Here what is included in this respiratory system? The nose, the windpipe and the lungs. These three together work together and these make up your respiratory system. So what are the organs included in the respiratory system? The nose, the windpipe and the lungs together make our respiratory system. So children, now let us study about the fifth type of organ system, that is the circulatory system. When you put up your hand on your chest, you feel something ticking inside. Okay. Just try to put your hand on the left side of your chest. What do you feel? We feel something ticking inside. That is your heart. What is it? That is your heart. What does the heart do? It pumps a red liquid called blood. What is red liquid present in your body? Blood, right? To all the parts of your body. What does it do? It pumps a blood to all the parts of your body. See, in the picture over here, it is given here. This is a picture of the person. This is the head, and since there are so many blood vessels here, and this is the heart which is present on the left side of the chest, and see the here the blood vessels are running all over the body. Can you see the blood vessels here, blue and red in color? Okay. And now see further here, this is a picture, this is a Heart isn't it in the chest here, it is shown in the big form here. So this is a picture of a heart. The shape size of the heart is equal to our closed fist. This is our fist, no? Our heart is equal to the size of the closed fist, mut. So this is a picture of the circulatory system. So what happens? The blood travels in your body through special tubes called blood vessels. I showed you just now here, the red and blue color tubes are there, no? They are called blood vessels. With the help of these blood vessels, the blood travels all over the body. When it is traveling all over the body, what does it do? It carries oxygen and the digested food. Understood now? What does the blood do? It will be carrying oxygen with it and also the digested food to all the parts of the body. It also collects waste from the parts of the body, because certain cells and all are there in the body, and whatever is waste in the body, no, it collects and it is thrown out in the form of urine or in the form of stool, or that in the form of toilet, and sometimes it comes out through the skin in the form of sweat. Sweat means gham. So the heart, blood and blood vessels make up the circulatory system. Remember children, the heart, blood and blood vessels make up our circulatory system. Okay. Now looking back here, answer these following questions. How is the skeleton useful to our body? The skeleton gives us a framework and shape to our body, right? Name the organs of the digestive system. What are the organs of our digestive system? The mouth, the food pipe, then the stomach, then the small intestine, large intestine, and finally the anus. What does the blood carry to all the parts of the body? The blood carries oxygen to all the parts of the body. Not only oxygen, even the digested food also. The blood carries digested food as well as oxygen to all the parts of the body, right?